Hi SA6, how are you? Happy Monday. I hope you all had an amazing weekend. Got to go out and play in the sun. So for this week for science, we are going to be learning about our next two planets. And believe it or not, we're like halfway through the solar system right now with our planets, which is super exciting. So after this week, we only have 2 more planets left to go. We're almost there. So let's see what we're going to learn about today. Which planet? So remember, when we have our order of planets, we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, right? And to help us remember all those in order from the sun, we have my very excited mother just served us nachos. So we've already done Mercury, we've already done Venus, we've already done Earth, we've already done Mars. So if I go to my saying, my very excited mother just, I think J. Well, J is for Jupiter. So we're going to be learning about Jupiter today, all right? And we're going to be learning a bunch of fun and interesting facts about Jupiter. I can't wait. So let's get started. So if we look at our order from the sun, right? This is how they're ordered out in our solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. Jupiter is 1,778.5 million kilometers away from the sun. That is very far, friends. We just keep getting further and further out the further the distance. Remember, we said 1 kilometer is about a 12-minute walk, right? And this is millions of kilometers. That's insane. It's super far, friends. And if I look at it, do you notice something about Jupiter? Well, I notice, and maybe you do too, that it's much bigger than the other planets. Well, let's find out and let's see if Jupiter has any interesting facts. So before we start reading, this is what Jupiter looks like. And keep this in mind right here, because we're going to come back and talk about that little spot right there. All right, so Jupiter, right? Let me move myself over so you can see the word Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the sun. So it's number 5, friends. That's exciting, right? So if we look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We did Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Now Jupiter, number 5. It is the largest planet in our solar system. So just like we were just saying, it looks like it's much bigger than the other ones because it is. It is the largest. That means it is the biggest planet in our solar system. That means it's bigger than all the other planets. There are many storms on Jupiter. So just kind of like we get storms here, like thunderstorms or maybe some sandstorms out in the desert, there are storms on Jupiter. The big red spot is a storm on Jupiter that has lasted for at least 300 years. Whoa, so friends, let's go back. This right here, remember I said we're going to talk about that? That dot right here kind of looks like an eye, right? That circle is a storm that has been happening on Jupiter for at least 300 years. That means it could have been happening way longer than 300 years, but scientists know for at least 300 years, for at a minimum, maybe more, that this storm has been going. Could you imagine if we had a storm here on Earth that lasted 300 years? Oh my goodness, I would not. Sometimes when it rains a couple of days, I'm like, enough, we need the sun. Right? This storm here for 300 years, that's crazy, friends. Let's see what else we can learn. This planet is called a gas giant because its surface is made of gas. So all here is just made of gas. Right? I don't think anybody could live there if it's all made of gas. But it is, it's all made of gas. Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet in our solar system. So, just like we had Mercury was the fastest planet around the sun. So remember, you have your sun, and this is orbiting around the sun, right? And Mercury was the fastest to go around. Well, Jupiter isn't so fast to go around, and we'll talk about that one in a second. But it is the fastest spinning. So even though it's like out here, here's our sun, and Jupiter's out here, it's not orbiting the sun super fast. It's spinning this way super fast. Okay? So our Earth, our planet, right? It rotates this way. It also orbits the sun 365 days. Earth spins 24 hours, and that's how we have a day. Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet. Okay? Jupiter has over 60 moons. So we only have one moon here on Earth. Jupiter has 60. Could you imagine going outside at night and seeing 60 different moons? I wouldn't know what moon to look at. That's pretty interesting, friends. So, basically, so far we're learning Jupiter is our 5th planet. It's number 5, right? And is the largest planet in our solar system, so it's the biggest planet in our solar system. It's not as big as the sun, but it's the biggest planet. It has many storms on it, and that red spot that we talked about, this one right here, is a storm that's lasted at least, so maybe even more, 300 years. That's a really long time, 300 years. Oof. The planet is called a gas giant because the surface of it is just made of gas. It is the fastest spinning planet in our solar system, and it has over 60 moons. So again, friends, when it says it has over 60 moons, that means it has more than 60 moons. So before, when I said imagine looking up and seeing 60 moons, well, Jupiter actually has more than 60 moons. So, oof, I couldn't even, right? That's crazy, friends. Now, days to orbit the sun. Now, this is where it gets super interesting, friends, right? We said Mercury was 88 days to orbit the sun. So here's the sun, and Mercury is 88 days. It's orbiting the sun the fastest, right? Then Venus is a little slower, 225 days. Okay. Then Earth is even a little slower, 365 days. All right. Mars, 687 days. And then Jupiter, our 5th planet, right, that we're learning about today, about 4,380 days. It comes out to about 12 years, friends. It takes 12 years for Jupiter to orbit around the sun. Oh my goodness. Where ours, right here, right, 365, that's 1 year for us. So it takes us about 1 year to get around the sun, and it takes Jupiter about 12 years to orbit the sun. Whew. Friends, could you imagine 12 years to orbit the sun? That means, you know, every 12 years they would have like a summer, because we have a summer once a year, and that's when it's, you know, closest to the sun, right? Whew. That's crazy. So we learned a lot today about our 5th planet, Jupiter, right? Can everyone say Jupiter? Awesome job. So Jupiter, right, we've learned has over 60 moons, takes 12 years to orbit the sun, right, about 12 years. It has a storm on it that has lasted at least 300 years, and it has other storms on it too, right? It has gas on the surface, and it's our largest planet in the solar system, and our fastest spinning planet, right? We have learned so many interesting facts about these planets, friends. So now you're going to go ahead and fill in your concept map, right? Put all your facts down because, you know, I think it really helps us to remember these facts, and they're really interesting, right? We can then later on see how our planets are the same, how they're different, because they have a lot of similarities, but they have so many differences too as we're learning. All right, so great job, friends. Super proud of you. I hope you have an amazing day. And until tomorrow, bye.